So this one's super easy. If you're not one to carry around a whole lot in your wallet and you don't want any bulk in your pocket, the Slim Minimalist card holder is definitely a good way to go. This one's Olmo Minerva, pairing it with Carolina blue stitching, making it a pretty unique color combination that has just weirdly become popular very recently. So I'm going to take you through every step of this. Let's get started. Now, what I really like about this design is how minimalist it is. There's only 3 card slots, 2 on the outside, 1 in the inside, and it's great for just the essentials, your ID, maybe a debit card, a credit card, or things like that, and maybe even just, a couple of folded up bills, but nothing too crazy. It cannot really get much bulkier than this. It's about a 1/4 inch, maybe even a little bit less thick. It's great for your front pocket, your back pocket, your bags, anything like that. It can fit in pretty much anywhere. So the first thing I like to do is laser cut it with my Glowforge, which I did not film. I bevel the edges on the card slots, and I hit them all with the Tokonole and canvas cloth to burnish it, and then I glue all the pieces together. It's a really simple design. You bevel, you burnish, you glue, you stitch, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward. So here I'm just gluing out the interior pockets, then I hit the card slots in the exact same fashion. I use Aquillim 315, it's a water-based glue, and then I mark my stitching line 1/8 of an inch away from the edge, which you can see here with my wing divider, before heading over to my sewing machine. Now, typically something like this I would just stitch by hand, but because I like to ramp up production and do some batches of these things, I just hit it with my sewing machine just to make things a little bit quicker. The actual strength and durability of it is pretty much the same. Now, they typically say hand-stitched products are stronger, but when it comes to a minimalist wallet like this, it's not going to be put under a lot of tension, so stitching it with a sewing machine, not that big of a deal, not really going to make much of a difference. Bevel the edges after sanding it to make sure that they're nice and flush. Tokonole canvas cloth to finish things off. Now, I really love the way Olmo burnishes. Some people hit it with like an edge paint or something, but that Tokonole just shines that thing up and darkens it. It's almost like just adding a patina to the edges and making it nice and shiny and durable so it doesn't come apart. And I really love the way Olmo does that. And it's going to age really nicely over time and start to match the edge. And there you have it. Carolina blue on Olmo Minerva Italian leather. It's full grain. Let me know in the comments what you think of the stitching color. And as always, subscribe and like to help grow a small channel.